Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. So today I'm going to do 6 roses on the canvas and I'll just show you the colors real quick. So this one is black and I just wanted to show you the consistency of how it is. This I'm going to use it as a base layer, so the consistency doesn't really matter. And this one is Artist Loft Acrylics black, and then I have red, Artist Loft Acrylics red, and mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and then I added a tiny bit of dioxazine purple, just a tinge of it, and to give it a slightly thinner consistency I have put a little bit of water. Here is the consistency, and same I added in this color. This one is this color, the red, and mixed with white and a tinge of dioxazine purple. And this one is dioxazine purple. Here's the consistency, not too thick and not too watery thin. And this one is dioxazine purple mixed with a tinge of red and white. This one is Extreme Sheen Deco Art mixed with Floetrol's yellow. And then I have this one, the Fine Touch, it's burnt umber, and it is mixed with a little bit of Liquitex Basics copper, and this has silicone in it, 3 drops of silicone in this little bit. And I'm going to get started. And I forgot about the white. This is Artist Loft Acrylics white, and mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and a little bit of water to get this consistency. So on the canvas I got 6 cups and I am going to fill them up.